Well, Craig, we're still in the cup
Yeah, dull.
by the margin of penalties in the end after a 1-1 draw, Chirk. It was a very difficult afternoon.
Yeah, I think going to penalties is credit to Chirk. I know that speaking to their management team that they were short on numbers today and carrying a few knocks and you know, it's a proper cup fixture in terms of they had their backs against the wall at times, but they worked tremendously hard to keep themselves in the game, and you know, they got ahead in the first half, and rightly so. We've had some good opportunities early on, but if you don't take your chances, you're going to get punished at this level. And fair play to Chirk, they went the other end and they did punish us before the half. And at half time it was just about regrouping, really, making sure that we didn't repeat the week before's performance, which I can't really judge the players on because I wasn't there myself. However, we had to just address it and just make sure that we keep doing what we're good at. And I thought second half we were particularly good in terms of the dominance in possession, maintaining pressure on the opposition, but we didn't work the keeper enough. Thankfully, Nath gets a header to take us to penalties, and just like the Carnarvon game where we won in the Nathaniel Cup, the penalties were outstanding. You know, they really were. Credit to Alex, he saved the first penalty, so it gives the lads a little bit of boost, knowing that if they score all 5 now, they're through, and they did that.
Yeah, we missed penalties this season. Were you wary of missing the penalties at the end then, or not?
No, I think it's, you know, we just said to the lads at the end of the game, look, you reset now, you don't think about the previous 90 minutes or so. You reset, you think about your penalty spot kick, and you take it from there. You make sure that you connect, you make sure you pick your spot, and you make sure you hit the net, and credit to the boys, they've done that, and fully deserved, really. I think we, on the whole today, I thought we played well in patches and large spells, and what we did do well is we didn't lose our patience, we didn't get frustrated, and we kept moving the ball into key areas, and we kept believing, Dol, and I think that's what's key. And I made up for the fantastic support that we had here today. There were so many from Port who travelled to watch us and get behind the lads, and you know, for me, the Welsh Cup's it's massive, and it's a traditional cup in Wales that we want to always go as far as we possibly can, and we're in the hat now. It's exciting to wait for that draw, whether that'll be Monday or next week sometime, but you know, hopefully we get a home draw and we can continue to progress in the competition.